Hello everyone. So it is a great honor and pride for me to introduce you all here to Shubhangi Maheshwari, who has scored 126 in the MHCET 3 years LLB exam. So we have invited here कि वो आपको कुछ tips and tricks जो है वो share कर सके अपने experience की कि उसने ये journey कैसे achieve करी और क्या उसकी strategy रही थी कि वो अपने dream college में जा सके. So hi Shubhangi, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you? How are you guys?
I'm good, dear.
Yeah.
So, how are you feeling after getting such a good score?
So basically, I was quite nervous while putting in the application number, but when the scorecard appeared on my screen, I couldn't believe it, honestly. Like, I was extremely elated. Even my family was super happy, and like everyone's just super proud of me, even I am. So yeah, I'm just
ओके
happy.
ग्रेट ग्रेट मतलब
Yeah.
अभी अगर रिश्तेदारों का कॉल आएगा पूछने कितना स्कोर है तो हम बड़े कॉन्फिडेंटली बोलेंगे कि नाउ
वही
तब तो पूछो अब तो हम वेट करेंगे आओ कॉल
मतलब
करो
मैं खुद डाल देती हूँ अब आपको मैं खुद कॉल कर देती हूँ
ओके सो गुड सो गुड सो
या
गुड सो आपने ये लॉ एंट्रेंस एग्जाम देना है हाउ डिड यू डिसाइड टू परस्यू फॉर लॉ कि यू वांट टू परस्यू लॉ
So for a long time, I have been inclined towards law. Matlab, it intrigues me basically in some way. It stimulates me. And while I was studying polity for my civil services examination, that was the only subject that I was like, I can do it in one go because it is so interesting for me. And when I was thinking about backups, because I was giving civil services as well, so this was like if I am given the opportunity to get deeper into the subject that I find very interesting, so yeah, I should go for it. So that is how I ended giving law exam.
ओके सो आफ्टर गेटिंग सच अ गुड
Yeah.
स्कोर क्या आपका ड्रीम कॉलेज कौन सा है आप कौन सा कॉलेज में जाना आप सोच रहे हो
Yeah, so ILS Pune is my first priority, but like I'm also considering GLC, so I'm confused
ओके
between both of them. Yeah.
ओके ग्रेट सो ये एग्जाम आपको जो इतनी अच्छे से आपने क्रैक करी क्या स्ट्रैटेजी आपने फॉलो करी थी इस एग्जाम के लिए
Uh, so yeah, my strategy was divided into four phases. So it was analyze, read, revise, and practice. And I took all of them very seriously because you have to. And so the first thing that I did was get a 360-degree information about the exam that I'm planning to give. Basically, understand the exam format and familiarize myself with the exam structure, the pattern, the time limits, and the type of questions that are being asked because this helps me to create a study plan depending on my weaknesses and strengths of the exam portion that I'm not good at. I'll do it पहले and जिसको मेरे को अच्छे से आता है I'll practice it and do बाद में. And उसके बाद में this also helps me understand कि what this examination is expecting from me so that मैं वैसा approach रख के आगे बढ़ सकूं. So this is the first thing that everyone should do. Like know what you're getting yourself into, like fully and thoroughly. And this was the analysis. The second was the reading section. So I started collecting and gathering materials for each section of the paper. पहले से ही मतलब अपने पास में रख लो because if तुमको आज कुछ और पढ़ने का मन हो रहा है तो you should know कि हाँ मुझे ये पढ़ना है अभी जाके बैठ के you're searching कि okay fine अब क्या है इन सब का कुछ meaning रहता है it's just waste of time. And I started with current affairs because I already was doing current affairs. And so for current affairs, I went through the EduCARE का जो YouTube videos था. So I did it from July 2022 till 15 days before the examination. And the only thing that I kept in my mind was that current affairs has to be done daily because you just can't miss any day. It just adds up to the syllabus. So, and doing it daily is more efficient instead of just sitting one day and doing everything at once.
करेक्ट
एंड उसके लिए करंट अफेयर्स के लिए आई मेड लाइक एकदम छोटा छोटा वन वर्ड क्रिस्प नोट्स जो मैं रोज रिवाइज करती थी एंड मैंने एग्जामिनेशन के एक दिन पहले भी उसको रिवाइज किया था एंड वो एक जगह पे सारा बन गया था सो मुझे मतलब बार बार जाके नहीं देखना पड़ रहा था कि ओ इस दिन ये हुआ था ऐसा कुछ नहीं था सो करंट अफेयर्स के लिए आई यूज्ड दिस स्ट्रैटेजी फॉर लॉजिकल रीजनिंग देयर इज नथिंग यू कैन डू अदर देन प्रैक्टिस द क्वेश्चंस
करेक्ट
and
यस
I knew that puzzle वाले questions are little tricky for me. So मैंने उस वाले questions पे बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान दिया. And जब भी मेरे को ऐसे बोर हो रहा था या कुछ भी करने को नहीं था तो मैं puzzle वाले questions solve करती थी. तो उससे मतलब मेरा जो puzzle वाले questions है उसका time भी कम हो गया. मतलब the more questions I solved, the lesser time it took for me to like do another question. And this was for LR and for इंग्लिश मैंने हर एक सेक्शन के लिए पहले से ही मटेरियल डाउनलोड कर लिया था. तो फॉर एग्जांपल वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन, सो आई डाउनलोडेड उसका मटेरियल कहीं से इंटरनेट से. फिर एंटोनिम्स, सिनोनिम्स और idioms और phrases, एंड ये सारी चीजें आई यूज्ड टू रिवाइज डेली, बिकॉज इफ आई डू इट डेली देन इट इज इन माई माइंड फॉर अ लॉन्गर
Correct.
पीरियड ऑफ टाइम.
Yes.
तो ऐसे ही मैंने इंग्लिश का किया, एंड फॉर इंग्लिश आई रेड अलॉट. मतलब ऑलरेडी फॉर सिविल सर्विसेज आई वाज रीडिंग न्यूज़पेपर. तो लाइक विद न्यूज़पेपर माय ग्रामर वाज आल्सो इंक्रीजिंग, मतलब ऐसे अच्छा हो रहा था उससे. एंड जो न्यूज़पेपर रीड करती थी तो वो मेरा सप्लीमेंट कर देता था करंट अफेयर्स और लैंग्वेज वाला पोर्शन दोनों को. सो आई
Correct.
वुड डेफिनेटली सजेस्ट रीडिंग न्यूज़पेपर्स डेली इफ यू कैन. एंड
Yeah.
इट इज मतलब नॉर्मली भी अच्छा रहता है न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ना. लाइक यू शुड नो व्हाट इज
Definitely.
हैपनिंग अराउंड यू,
Yes. Yes.
राइट?
And as a law
Yeah.
aspirant, तो it is a must. Lawyer को सब पता होना
Yeah.
चाहिए. Correct.
Why? Her
Hmm.
section guide is not just that you should know law, you should know everything about everything.
Hmm.
Thoda thoda. So this was my English का, and I read a lot, read a novel, anything that interests you, कोई भी genre हो, कुछ भी हो, और watch a series, watch movies, जिससे तुमको थोड़ा English तुम्हारे आजू बाजू चलते रहे तो grammar अपने आप ही थोड़ा सा improve हो जाता है. You don't have to get into the rules as such, but like read and watch something. And for legal, so this was very new to me, like the aptitude and the reasoning wala portion. So contract taught मैंने पहली बार सुना था, and all of this was very very new to me. So I decided to dedicate maximum amount of my time to these subjects, because to understand them in a way such that वो एक बार में ही मेरे को अच्छे से बैठ जाए. Even though मुझे मतलब 4 घंटे लगे एक चीज को करने के लिए, पर मैं अच्छे से कर लूँ एकदम. मेरे को ऐसा करना था. If we were to talk about how I divided my day, each subject wise,
Yeah.
so per day I did 2 subjects. So CA and LR, I started with current affairs and logical reasoning. So I did 2 घंटे current affairs and 2 घंटे LR in the starting. And then when I was done with logical reasoning, I substituted it with English. And when I was done with English, I substituted it with legal. तो मेरा करंट अफेयर्स साथ में ही चल रहा था, एंड बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स से ऐड होते जा रहे थे. So
Okay.
that was my day planning, basically.
That was actually very good. So you had pre-planned everything कि कैसे क्या क्या
Yeah.
पढ़ना है. So that is most
हाँ जी.
important for all the students, because अगर आपका planning नहीं है, अगर आप systematic way से उस plan को follow नहीं करते हो जो आपने बनाया है, तो बड़ा difficult हो जाता है जो आपका जो dream है, आपका जो भी aim है उसको achieve करने के लिए. So this is one of the best thing which you have done, and that
Yeah.
is why I think you have scored such a good score.
Yeah.
So
Thank you.
that's really very great. And also I would like to know कि how was your exam experience? आपको कैसा लगा ये एग्जाम देके? तो what would be your future tips जो अभी next जो स्टूडेंट्स आएंगे उनको आप क्या टिप्स
Yeah.
देना चाहोगे?
So first tip is to be confident in yourself, basically. That there were some things that I couldn't understand at all, but I gave it a chance, and then with practice, I was able to understand because I believed in myself that yeah, I can do it. So first is like be very confident in yourself that you can do it. Second is, as you said, like make a plan, make deadlines, follow them like as strictly as possible. Like start early and make chota deadlines, because achieving those chota deadlines are like bigger, gives you bigger
Correct.
happiness than जो
Yes.
बाद में बड़ा सा मिलता है उस केस में. So
Correct.
yeah, do that.
Yes.
Make weekly targets and stuff. So
Hmm.
that also like take care of yourself in the process too. I mean, take a breather now and then. Like I took 1 day, 2 days break, but I knew where to stop, like where to
Correct.
stop and get back to study.
करेक्ट.
So
सो
yeah,
दैट इज
that
ऑल्सो
is
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज काफी टाइम
yeah,
स्टूडेंट्स प्रिपरेशन करते वक्त बहुत ज्यादा प्रेशर में आ जाते हैं, फिर उसी में
yeah,
एग्जाम में एंजाइटी की वजह से कुछ कुछ चीजें कुछ कुछ कंसेप्ट शायद हमें आते हुए भी हम उसको अटेम्प्ट ना कर पाए, बिकॉज यहाँ पे
very
वी
true.
हैव द टाइम लिमिट टू अपीयर फॉर द एग्जामिनेशन. सो द
Yeah,
टाइम मैनेजमेंट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वी कैन नॉट जस्ट सिट एंड थिंक कि कैसे क्या क्या आंसर हो सकते हैं.
हाँ
So
जी,
that is okay.
very true.
Very good. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
give
Fine.
mocks and everything.
Yeah. Okay. So I
Yeah.
just want to know कि अब आपका next goal क्या है? What is your ambition in your life now? What next?
Okay, so if I were to say where I see myself in 5 years, so if I am here, then I will see myself here. So like I want to grow 10x, like professionally and personally both. So yeah, that is my goal right now in my life, like to
Okay.
get everything I want in 5 years.
Okay. Okay. That was so good, Shubhangi. So EduCARE family wishes you all the very best. And
Thank you.
now for your civil services examination also, all the very best. And
Yeah.
congratulations
Thank
for
you so
getting such a
much.
good score.
Thank you so much. You guys added a lot in my preparation, actually. Thank you.
Thank you so much, dear.
Okay.
Yeah.